Hey, kids. Would you like some ice cream? Would you like a corn dog? Hey, kids, cupcakes. Ooh, cupcakes. Hey, kid, you want an ice cream? That's my customer. Nah. Why, you little... That's my customer. No. Nah. Please comment, please subscribe. More videos coming soon.